This is the noise I heard last night. Now, this was for a whole hour, this noise, and I swear to God, that is the noise I'm talking about. Now, I have no clue what it was. It's never heard this noise before in Napanee, and now I did. I'm actually glad I heard it. No offense to Napanee, because it's a beautiful place to live in. But this noise really bongled my mind. I'm like, what is going on? Who is this? Like, I thought, okay, someone's playing a prank on me, right? There was no one outside, no kids outside, nothing. And it was like pitch black and it was dead silent. And I'm like, this is scary. Now, this is like, it was really, really creepy. I mean, hearing that would bring chills down your spine. Like, you wonder, oh, am I making this? I'm not making this up. And I don't make that up. That's the noise I heard, and I'm going to stick with it. Now, let me know what you think it is, and you can send your comments in the comments down below. I have no clue because Napanee never made that noise before.